So these two I'm going to cook for my lunch. I am happy to have these two bell peppers. Hi guys, so today we're going to harvest my red bell peppers. So let's start. So I'm gonna pull out this one. As you can see, it's all red. And it has some white stuff on it. So I will get two for my lunch. We're going to start with this one. What is it on? And this is it. Yeah, it's red like the other one, but it also. These two I'm going to cook for my lunch. I am happy to have these two bell peppers.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, so today we already cooked our bell pepper after 2 days. So let's eat it. So it tastes good. With the cheese. It's really crunchy. So it's good. So this lunch is made out of cheese, tofu, bell pepper, and inside there's egg and tomato sauce. And we also cook this with olive oil. This is healthy food. Also, don't forget when you watch one of my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications to never miss one of my videos. Also, don't forget to join my Roblox group. Bye!